This is man-free if it's ever been that. So obviously these guys locked in on the trip side. That's man forever. You got two high safeties, so it might be too high, or I'm sorry, man two, or two man. As you'll see quickly, it's man free. So let the play roll here. You'll see as soon as the clip starts, the backside safety is going to scream down because he sees Le'Veon Bell roll out. That's his guy. So now the conflict comes to the high safety. Does he take two or does he take three? What do you do? Obviously, he can't really make up his mind, but they have a good route separation, and Hill's going to run a deeper cross. And it's hard for the safety to get across on that. Now, if he had diagnosed that earlier, maybe that's the case, but it's not the case, and he's way too late getting over there. A great ball by Mahomes, and Hill will have another touchdown. Again, have to give credit where credit's due. Not a big names on the Chiefs line. Pretty solid pass blocking. You have to pass block to let those plays happen.